My launch emails just aren't converting. People sign up for the freebie, but then, nada. Disappearing act.
Ouch, launch blues? I hear you. But hey, guess what? This new email from the HatarakiGai challenge might be the solution.
HatarakiGai challenge? What's that?
It's a series about going from crickets to cheers after a course launch. This second tip dives into refining launch sequence emails.
Launch sequence emails? Maybe those are the culprits. Mine feel a bit flat.
Exactly. This email promises to help us craft launch emails that actually sell and stop those disappointed signups.
Selling and stopping disappointment? Sign me up. This challenge sounds like just what we need.
High five. Let's see what magic these launch sequence email tips hold.